Guys, welcome sa ating YouTube channel. Both to this vlog, to tonight's vlog pala yan. Atin kami ng debo. Ayan. So andyan na guys. Ready na kami. So yung motif is lavender. So ayan. So abang-abang na mamaya. Tara, let's go! So ayan mga kasangsang, unti-unti na po nagdatingan ng mga bisita.
Hindi na parang church service din mo.
Mga bisita, o kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. So puti pa yung dumating ng mga bisita kasi maaga-aga pa. So kami yung nauna kasi kami yung taga-abang dito sa entrada. So ayan guys, pakita ko lang kayo maya-maya doon sa looban. So i-reveal natin yung magdidebo maya-maya lamang. Sidatingan na yung mga ibang bisita. Isang medyo yung ibang bisita wala pa, hindi pa sila datingan. So yan na yung namin pastor. Dumating na sila. So konti-unti mapupuno na ito ng mga bisita. So maya-maya ilalabas na yung debutante. So kasama tayo dun sa 18 Roses daw.
A few moments later.
So, to start with, make yourselves comfortable. Stay back, relax po mga kapatid. So, though it's an event outside of the church, but of course, we always acknowledge ang ating Panginoon po, the presence of God. Amen po. And everyone, to everyone, welcome to Mariel's 18th birthday party. So we would like to thank everyone for gracing this very momentous occasion because as they say, you only get to be 18 once. Tama po? So we would like, of course, to acknowledge the key persons who took a great part in making this joyous affair possible. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with my great pleasure that I introduce to you the family of our lovely debutant, of course, Sister Marife, all the way from Ireland. The mother, the father of Mariel, Brother Larry de Guzman, Ate Shahana Margaret de Guzman, Brother Timothy and Brother James. We want to acknowledge po ang family ng debutant, of course. A big round of applause, please, para po sa family ng debutant. Thank you very much. And tonight. So beautiful and blooming. If I know, may umiiyak sa Ireland. Yan.
So ayan na yung debutante mga kasangsang.
Sabay-sabay po tayo mga kapatid. Let's say happy birthday, Mariel. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Mariel!
2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Happy birthday, Ate Mariel! So, we will take our seats, mga kapatid.
So yun mga
Family will
kasangsang.
always be God's greatest blessing. Sabi nga nila, in
Ayan,
life,
mga,
we can have several
first table.
friends, classmates, or circle of friends, social circles, but there is only one family who is always willing and ready to welcome us no matter what. So, ladies and gentlemen, to answer our question, kung sino nga ba ang pinagmanahan?
Alam niyo na kung sino kayo. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga dito sa Pagkano ng Mariel na witness sa kanyang giving birthday ng araw. At welcome lahat. Welcome. Masabi ko din kang Mariel na galingan sa pagpagalingan mo yung pag-aaral, ikutin at galingan yung pag-aaral.
Galit si tate. So ayan guys, word of wisdom kan daddy.
Yan. Tapos lahat ng mga
Words.
gawain, bagay, anumang
One of the favorite pathogen kay daghan man mo. I wish you more blessings and happiness. Continue to be a good daughter to mama, maski mama.
Parang ito na yung This shall we be waiting for.
Sama-sama po tayong yumuko. Just grace the food. Kung pwede po,
So ayan guys,
matapos po natin siya.
pinaka the best ang
So,
kainan.
number one, let's take picture with ate. So, and then we can get the food.
So kainan na daw. Part 1 is kainan. Sana yung number 1? Ay, number 1.
Sige na po.
So, pili pa tayo sa number. Ay, doon. Kaway-kaway. Ito yung nantay namin yung kainan. Joke. So, ayan guys. So, yung table namin is number 5.
Number 2, mag-prepare na po. Sino po ang table number 2?
Marami-rami kami sa 5.
Yan, prepare na. Magbilang pasok.
So, picture taking guys. Tapos after nito, kainan na. Pero may ano pa, iba pang program. Maya-maya.
You'll get the food.
yung mga inuupan niyo daw, marami mamaya. Masaya na sila sa award.
May ano yan. May mga nakalipit.
Malaki bangko bro.
Malaki nagbigay daw ng regalo.
Yes! Table number 2, please.
Shoutout sa ano, galante si ano, Mayor. Galante guys si Mayor.
Yan po ha, wala na tayong off yung mga Sharon yan ha.
So, kainan na.
Pero alam ko,
So, table number 5, picture taking. Oh,
ang siksikan sila doon.
parang pinag-usapan namin to.
Ano to? C-cube, C-cube. Ayan.
Happy birthday.
Ano ba yan? Sorry po. Sige po, table number 6. Table number 6. Kaya nga. Bakit? Ano po table nila, ma'am?
So, dito na guys, ang pila. Pila ng pagkain. Oh, mayroon din pala sa kabila, oh. Ibang 20. Dalawang pwede.
Ano ba doon?
Oh, yun, oh.
Sa sudo naman tayo.
Ayan, Budol fight naman yun sa kanila.
Bro, meron sa kabila.
Binyag. So, dito na yung pila ng ano, ayuda. Ayan. Extension. Pagka nagpas doon, diretso doon. So, guys, kainan na. Yung pila ni Mayor. Sa pagkain, guys. So, ayan, mga kasangsa.
Next station din bro.
So, masarap daw yung pagkain nila dito. So, after nito is, ano daw, doon yung dessert sa kabila. Ang iingay lang eh. So, guys, ay dito na. Papalapit na tayo sa... dito yung kapatid ng ano.
Doon na tayo sa main
celebrant.
ito na yung main event.
Oh, kayo yung host, di ba? Nagutom na eh.
Pag di po tayo kasi dyan, pwede po tayo nilipat doon sa kabila.
Ba't bro?
Wala problema bro.
Actually, nagutom na talaga ako.
So, grabe yung pila, guys. Oh.
Grabe yung pila.
Grabe yung pila. So, maglagay na ako dito.
Yung muti! Hinahanap ka pa doon!
Nakakuha na.
Di muti!
Di mo tayo.
Huwag nyo daw isa-isama ko eh.
Kumuha na nga.
Pwede mong kuhanin tong ano, purple. May purple kasi.
Oo kasi kayo yun ang ano, motif eh. Lavender. So guys, lahat ng pagkain may lavender.
Sibuyas.
Cabbage.
So mayroong ano? Ano tong tawag? Ano, chicken Gordon.
Chicken Gordon. Kaya masarap din.
Chicken Gordon.
Bro.
Kunti na para, ha? Ito yung kari-kari.
Mura masarap yung kare-kare pero...
So, may kari-kari kunti lang. Matikman lang natin yung luto nila.
Ay, ayaw makuha. Ay, sorry. Chicken pala.
So, mayroon din sila ano. Lumpia, isa lang.
Sorry po,
Yun o. Naka-vlog.
Shout out bro.
Ako, salad lang ako.
Oh, grabe ka naman bro.
Thank you po.
Makasahan yan, salad lang ha.
Oo, salad lang ako.
So, okay na to.
Hindi po ba to? Chami.
Tikman natin yung salad. Isahang bro, isahang lakad lang ano. Isang lakad na lang. So guys, medyo cheat day tayo ngayon kasi may ano. So ayan na.
Full pack.
Ayan. So dito na yung kinain natin. So makapit na sa ano, finish line. Kaway-kaway. Nalit kayo eh. So, sige na po.
Sige po. Walay kurat. Walay kurat po.
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have, I have. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Guess I'm a little unconventional. So call it what you want it. 'Cause when I leave you like that, it's like every time I settle down, I turn around and want what I had, I had. I know that it's a gamble to put your heart in my hands, but if you give me just a little time, I'll show you something you never had, never had. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say
Program. I guess, ano na po, energized na tayo by the food na kinain po natin. Di ba? Masarap yung kare-kare?
Yes, masarap.
Yeah, tested and proven. I know it. So, for tonight, let's just have some fun. To start with, can I ask like 5 persons volunteer for the game? Okay. Sige. the birthday girl will choose.
Okay, pick.
Mga latecomers ko.
Yeah!
Since they were late tonight, we
Punishment!
are asking them to
Punish!
come here.
Brother song! Brother.
It gets confusing when you say you love me, when you say that we're just friends. You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to play. I'm looking for something real. Won't you tell me how you feel? What your true intentions are? Boy, you'll have to raise the bar if you want me, baby. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering, I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me.
So, tonight, yung message po yun, isisend ko na lang kay Ate Mariel. But tonight, ano po ang pwede nyong hugot or ano ba yan, hugot line for Ate Mariel? Meron ba kayo? Namopya sa Google. Namopya. Next! Ano? Yung mga ano, pagbase ba to sa edad? Mga bata. Next na, yun ang bata.
Sasaya.
Sasaya ano?
Stay as sweet as you are.
Diba? Ay, ito din ba?
Say yes or say no. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering, I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me. Yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage.
One eternity later.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, mabilis! Happy birthday to you.